Well, hello. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I would like to say it feels really weird to sit here alone in a room and speak in front of the camera with no one around you. But ठीक है, आदत हो जाएगी. So, coming to the video, this is my first ever sitting video where I thought of sharing with you a few of the necessary items that I bought in this month, like in March. If this is being uploaded in April, then I bought these items in March. And these are very essential items which were missing in my new apartment. As you can see, this is my new apartment. There are no curtains, nothing. It's a totally empty flat right now. जब भी I will decorate the flat or put in the curtains at least or whatever, make this flat a home, I will surely make a vlog of that as well. So without any further ado, let's see what all I got. So firstly, I bought these shoes because I have no shoes. I don't even have a gym shoes. तो मुझे जिम के लिए भी शूज़ चाहिए और वो डेफिनेटली ये नहीं होने वाले बिकॉज दीज आर माई प्रेशियस सामास जो मैंने बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट के बाद लिए हैं, बहुत सोचा था और अब जाके लिए हैं. सो दीज आर माई सामान. सॉरी, दीज आर माई सामान. अभी तक मैंने इसको एक बार भी नहीं पहना. आई वॉज एक्चुअली सेविंग दिस फॉर माई बर्थडे क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ मैं अपने बर्थडे पे सब कुछ नया पहनूँ. ऐसा मज़ा आता है. सेकेंड थिंग, थोड़ा सा अटक चुकी हूँ मैं. दिस इज अ बॉक्स फ्रॉम टीरा जो मैंने अभी तक खोला नहीं है. सो सब कुछ इसेंशियल है, सब कुछ फैंसी आइटम नहीं है इसमें क्योंकि एज यहाँ पे है नहीं सामान मेरे पास. सो आई एम ऑर्डरिंग ऑल द नेसेसरी आइटम आई वांट. सो ये सब कंघी दिखा रही हूँ मैं अपने ब्लॉग में कंघी ब्लॉग या वट वीडियो में कंघी दिखा रही हूँ मैं. वाओ बट नेसेसरी है. कंघी मेरे पास थी ऑलरेडी एक, पर वो टूट गई. सो आई हैड टू ऑर्डर अनदर वन. देन आई हैव दिस थोड़ा मोटा सा नहीं कर गया पता नहीं, दिस टेल कोम. सो आई हैड दिस अर्लियर और आई यूज दिस फॉर स्टाइलिंग दैट स्लीक हेयर स्टाइल जो होता है वो. आई लव डूइंग दैट व्हेन माई हेयर इज ऑयली एंड व्हेन आई कांट वॉश माई हेयर. तो ये बड़ा इट कम्स रियली हैंडी. सेंटर पार्टीशन तो मेरी परमानेंट निकल चुकी है आफ्टर माई स्कूल बिकॉज मेरे स्कूल में सेंटर पार्टीशन वॉज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट एंड सिंस देन इट्स ऑलवेज सेंटर पार्ट. बट थोड़ा फ्रॉम इट्स स्टिल हियर, यहाँ से वो इधर उधर हो जाता है. सो फॉर दैट आई थिंक टेल कोम रियली कम्स हैंडी. एंड फिर ये छोटे छोटे इसके ये रहते हैं तो इससे इट गेट्स ऑल स्लीक. And to make it more sleeker, I have this gel from Arata, which I will show you in a minute. Okay, so this is the gel that I was talking about. This is, why is it not? So this is Arata hair gel, and it's been shaping gel for strong hold and definition with organic flaxseed extracts. सो बेसिकली ये इसमें फ्लैक्सीड्स हैं तो आई थॉट ये बेटर रहेगा रादर देन, मतलब मैंने ये कहीं पे देखा नहीं है. इट वाज अ रैंडम परचेज फ्रॉम नायका. तो ये नायका पे मिला था. दिस वाज नॉट ऑन टीरा तो मैंने ये नायका से मंगाया एंड ये बहुत अच्छा. और इसमें ना स्ट्रॉन्ग है फॉर स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड. Actually, strong hold for like 4-5 hours. If you are out for like 4-5 hours, it will give you a strong hold. And once you comb your hair, no, it will become normal. It will not be that kadak. It will be very normal and soft. You will not. It's not कि तुमको ऐसा लगेगा कि तुमने जेल लगाया था, right? तो ये तो what I do is I make my hair and then I put the gel and everything is sleek and nice. But recently I thought of upgrading this type a little bit more and I ordered this. तो let's see ये कैसा है. So this is something like this. ये सैलून में लोग बहुत यूज करते हैं वो सैलून people. So like this. So it is called a teasing brush. तो इसको भी ऐसे करोगे तो I think this will work more beautifully than the tail comb. So that's that. After that, again, not a very fancy product. It's a cuticle pusher and trimmer. Cuticle pusher and trimmer. ये तो एक बेसिक चीज़ है तो क्या कहता हूँ उसके बाद that. Then I have another packet where I have this hair oil by Kama. So I don't usually oil my hair, but whenever I do it with this Kama Bringari Thylam Intensive Hair Oil. This I don't have dandruff also, but if you have dandruff, this also works very well on dandruff. Next product we have is we got a sample from a kind, whatever, however we pronounce that. So that's that. It's a moisturizer. Next I have is this Requil Deep Nourishment Hair Mask, and I recently used its conditioner, again a random purchase on Nykaa, and it was really good. Like, it really nourished my hair really nicely, and this today also I used it, and I think it's really soft and nice and manageable. So I thought of ordering the Deep Nourishing Mask from there, and I'll definitely post a review. If you want a review, you can just comment down below. I would definitely, and I would love to do that for you. So I think that's all for the Tira thing. Now moving ahead with some other necessary items, which are my gym wear, because I have nothing to wear to go to the gym. So let me show you all that as well again. Sorry. Oh, we have one more item left, and that is this, my most favorite hand cream from Palmer's. Now, if you love the smell of coconut, you would love this cream. It smells heavenly. I love coconut in every form. So basically, not in food that are cooked and prepared in coconut oil, I do not like the taste of it. But I love coconut in desserts, and it smells like, it just smells like a donut, coconut donut or a coconut ice cream. I know, it just smells amazing. So if I want to show you the texture, yeah, no, sorry, yeah. So you see, this is a very thick cream. It smells amazing. I love it. It's always out of stock at Nykaa, so I again got it from Tira mein hai, and I'm really glad ki ye hai because it's amazing. Now moving ahead with the other items. Now I got these two parcels from this one is from Lister. This one is their legging. Oh, packaging is quite nice. Okay. Hey Bliss Girl, ऐसा कुछ लिखा है. So इसमें नाम नहीं लिखा है कि लेगिंग का नाम क्या है. इसमें यहाँ लिखा हो नहीं, बस कॉटन लेगिंग्स लिखा है. कॉटन? दिस वन इज कॉटन. मैंने कभी कॉटन के लेगिंग्स नहीं ट्राई करे. मैंने ड्राई फिट मटेरियल की भी लेगिंग्स ट्राई करे हैं. सो पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो कि ये कैसा रहेगा जिम में. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज दिस वन इज फ्रॉम Puma. So गर्मी लग रही है तो फैन को ऑफ, क्योंकि फिर मेरी आवाज़ नहीं आएगी. AC here. This one is a sports bra and it looks cute. Fit भी आ जाएगा, I think. Nice. So yeah, that's all. सब हो चुका है, सब कुछ है. So yes, if you like this video, then please do give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye.